Ever felt the frustration of high international transfer fees? This video cuts through the confusion and shows you exactly how to send money using Transferwise, saving you time and money. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Transferwise account. If you don't have one, it's quick and free to sign up. Just click the sign up button and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Tap Send Money. Choose the currency you're sending from and the currency you're sending to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Step 3. Add your recipient's details. This includes their bank name, account number, and SWIFT code if applicable. Double-check everything for accuracy. Step 4. Select your payment method. Transferwise offers various options, from bank transfer to debit, credit card. Choose the one that works best for you. Step 5. Review the transfer summary. Transferwise will clearly show you the fees and the exchange rate, giving you complete transparency. Approve the transaction. Step 6. You're done. You'll receive confirmation of your transfer and can track its progress within the app. Now just sit back and relax while your money travels safely and efficiently. So there you have it, as a simple, cost-effective way to move your money internationally. If you found this straightforward method helpful, give the video a like. If you want to see more money-saving tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or experiences with Transferwise, drop them in the comments below. And if this made you smile, well, a like would be fantastic.